Hey guys, yeah, for about, I want to say 2, maybe 3 days, I've been doing this. I've been making little thieves. Over and over and over and over and over and over and over. And there's about 160 of them. Maybe 170? Yeah. So this is pretty much all I'm doing. I was trying to make a 3D origami heart basket, but that didn't work out so well because the video that was showing me it really sucked. So instead I'm making a 3D origami heart, and then I'm gonna paint it later with that. Not with the cheeses to paint. I don't know what to paint it though. I'll do purple. Just cause purple. And it's gonna match my hair soon enough. And Abram likes purple. Who doesn't like purple? So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I have to make 8 of these. I have to do this 8 times and entertain myself. I've been listening to music. Yep. My neighbors snore. They're also very loud. It's not fun. So today, I'm debating on it. I might go to the shop today, and of course, I will bring you guys along. Well, on the walk anyway, because I highly doubt that they will let you film inside. And I might even go with a friend. Yep. Tomorrow's Monday. He'll be at the fair. Oh well. I'll still go to the shop maybe. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Because I hate crossing the streets and I don't like being around the people and I don't know. Yeah. So that's what I've been doing. I've been having fun. I'm in the mood to draw, but I have no clue what to draw. I have my binder of arts in here. Arty, art. Arty, art. Arty, art. Yep. I'll show you guys that in some other video. Okay, really, I should just get back to this. Bye, guys!